Hi everybody. In this video we're going to look at creating something called a movie clip. Alright, so let's get started. A movie clip is a thing in your scene that will animate automatically, and it'll just loop over and over again, and you don't have to keyframe it except for inside of the movie clip. So let's get here. I'm going to get a brush and I'm just going to make like a bat. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a bat here. Now we'll start with this kind of wings up. Okay. And there is a fill bucket. It'd be easier. All right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this to a movie clip. And to do that, first we need to select the whole thing. So with my move tool, I'm going to select my shape here, and I'm going to go to modify, convert to symbol. I'm going to name it bat. It's always a good idea to name things. And then you have a choice. So I'm going to choose movie clip, and I'm going to say OK. Alright, so now that I have a movie clip, I'm going to double click it. And when I double click it, you'll see we used to be in scene 1, but now we are inside of the movie clip. So this timeline is actually very different. This timeline is meant for only the movie clip. I'm going to just tug this down a little. So this is not scene 1's timeline. I'm going to go back to scene 1. How do you get back to scene 1? You can either click this arrow or just click scene 1. So now I'm back, and you can see I can move my movie clip around. This would be the timeline for scene 1. But what I'm interested in doing is making this bat fly constantly. So we're going to go into the movie clip. I'll double click it, and there it is. You can see this is the icon for a movie clip. It looks like a little cogwheel here. And you can see I'm not in scene 1 anymore. I'm now in the movie clip mode. So this timeline will be for the bat. So I'm going to go to the next frame here. I'm going to press F6. I'm going to press F7. A blank keyframe. I can't see where the other bat is, so I'm going to turn on onion skin. And now I'm going to draw the next bat. So this time his wings will be kind of more in the center here. Alright, and I'm going to press F7 again to paint the next one. And let me do that. Get the fill bucket. Alright, so we're done. I have 3 frames that will animate the bat, and these are the frames that are inside of the movie clip. I'll turn off onion skin so we just see each of them, and it'll flap like this. So the next thing we're going to do is kind of, as I say, wake up. We're going to get to scene 1. I'm out of the movie clip mode now. You can see here's the timeline. It's blank, just as that one keyframe now. If I ever wanted to get back to editing the movie clip, I could just double click the bat, and there I can edit these anytime I want. But I'm going to go back to scene 1, and this should work now. I don't need to animate anything. I'm going to just press Command Return, and there he is. You can see him flying. Now let me fix something. You can see how I left a spot, and this is what I mean. We can go back to the movie clip anytime we want to fix something. So I'm going to double click it. Let's find out. Looks like this frame is okay. Looks like this frame is okay. Up there it is. So I'm going to take my paint brush and fix that little spot, and then come back to scene 1 and Command Return. Alright, now I can duplicate this bat as many times as I want. I can even resize. Or rotate, and I'll show you that. Command Return, and you can see how they all will play constantly because they are movie clips. So that's how to make a movie clip in Animate. Good luck and give it a try.